My name is Brad Pollock. I'm a professor and chairman of the Department of Epidemiology and Biostatistics at the UT Health Science Center in San Antonio. The CPRIT-funded project that I have is a study to look at risk factors for hepatocellular carcinoma in the San Antonio area, actually Bexar County and the surrounding counties. Hepatocellular carcinoma is the most common adult liver cancer that occurs, and it turns out that in Texas we have higher rates than the national rates, and in South Texas we have higher rates than the rest of Texas, and in Hispanics we have even higher rates. So we have a public health issue with almost double the rate of primary liver cancers in Hispanics in South Texas compared to the U.S. average cancer rates. There may be a link in terms of bringing in contaminated grain that comes from Mexico, for example. Families that make homemade tortillas, maybe bringing in grain stuffs that come in from across the border, and that may predispose to developing higher exposure levels to aflatoxin. So one of the things that we're interested in looking at is whether aflatoxin can explain a good portion of the incidents we're seeing in South Texas. CPRIT actually provides funding to actually work on things that have a little bit higher risk, but couldn't be funded any other way. And again, we're dealing with a public health problem here, having a lot of liver cancer. So I think this is a means for actually moving the agenda forward and doing it in Texas, I think, which is also interesting.